Hello everyone, now we will discuss the next term, that is radius of gyration. So what does it mean? Gyration means any object which is moving in a circular motion or in a spiral path form. Okay, so now you want to define the term radius of gyration. Means if an object is moving on a circular path, then what will be the radius of that object which is in a circular motion? That is the meaning of your radius of gyration. So now here, as a measure of the way in which mass of the rotating body is distributed about the axis. Means now here what is done, this is shown one diagram that rigid body is rotating about an axis, but to define this radius of gyration, here one diagram is shown. Now here this M, this is one single body which is rotating on this circular path, okay, horizontal circular path with constant velocity omega. Then this K is called the radius of gyration. Okay, means now this point mass M, okay, which is moving along this axis in a circular path. Now its distance from this axis of rotation will be given by K, means this K is called as radius of gyration. Okay, so now what does it mean? It means that radius of gyration shows us the distribution of mass about the axis of rotation. Okay, so now here to define its formula, we see what we have to consider. By definition of moment of inertia, I is summation I from 1 to n mi ri square. Now the radius of gyration is given by this formula, I is equals to mk square. Okay, now this concept, that is mi concept, you have to use over here. Okay, now mi, but here your whole mass is substituted by capital M, so you will write there m. R is what? Distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. Now see, in this diagram your particle is over here, axis of rotation is here, so what is the distance between them? K. So you will write here K. Okay, and it is ri square, so here the distance is K, so you will write K square. So from this equation you can write therefore K is under root I upon M. So this is the formula for your radius of gyration. Okay, so gyration means any object which is moving in a circular path, and radius of gyration means what? It is the radius of that circular path, or else the physical significance is radius of gyration will tell you how the distribution of mass is done about any axis of rotation. Okay, means now see, if you say this value is larger, then as your K and I are directly proportional. Okay, if you say K is larger, then automatically moment of inertia will be large. Okay, if the value of K is smaller, means suppose the particle was over here, this particle was over here, then K is small, then your I will be also small. Okay, and one more thing, the physical significance is this K tells us the distribution of mass about the axis of rotation. If you say K is larger, it means that mass is distributed far away from the axis of rotation. If you say K is towards, suppose you say M is over here, then K becomes small, then you can say that value of K will tell you that mass is distributed close to the axis of rotation. Okay, if you take K as 10, means you will say the mass is distributed at a 10 meters from the axis of rotation. If you take mass here and suppose K is 5, then you will say that mass is distributed about the axis of rotation at a distance of 5 meters. So these are the physical significance of the radius of gyration, and this equation is the formula. So now next let us see what are the units and dimension. It is just radius, so it will be measured in meter. So SI unit will be meter, CGS will be centimeter, and dimension will be L raised to 1. Got it? Thank you.